So stabilization of drone was not accurate enough in self-flying mode to precisely focus the laser dot. Could you show it? The laser dot on a sample. So we will try to demonstrate that it really works if you do it manually. So if I do it myself, we can then see the peak of toluene, and this is the live spectrum. Toluene, yes, very strong signal. Then let's move to some drug. Yura, please update. Yes, this is a nitrofurantoin and polystyrene plastic. Yes, we see peak of plastic. Let's try to find focus. So getting a little bit higher. Yes, so with 1 meter standoff depth of focus, that is okay to find a spectrum would be approximately plus minus 5 centimeters, I would say. Then another drug, this is melamine, toxic melamine. We can see the Raman peak and we can focus to get the better spectrum, something like that. Are we good to show? Yes, the spectrum, the dot.
Yes.
Yeah, very nice. Thank you.